All right, welcome back to another Purple Penguin Pokemon pack opening. Gonna do another Dustin Rivals and see what we get. Oh yeah. Oh, almost. I'm getting better. Hopefully. No. Oh, losing the aura. Man, do I just suck at opening these things? There we go. Let's get that QR code. Let's check that out. Ooh, electric. Haven't gotten electric in a minute. Alright, Ethan Cyndaquil. Team Rocket Zubat. Ooh, nice. Nose pass. Well, look at that nose. Team Rocket's Eradicate. Nice. Team Rocket's Transceiver. Team Rocket's Wheezing. Granite Cave. A Shiny Ponyta. Wash Arotum. Nice. And a Zamazenta. That looks pretty cool. Never heard of that one. And a Steel. Alright, I'll have to check that out. Hopefully I'll get polls in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like it. Well, are you ready for trouble? We'll make it double. Alright, we're gonna do another one. Just for the shiznits and the giggles. Oh, I was even trying to practice. Oh. One of these days, I will get better. Boom! 2 and 1 short. How the heck we doing this? Alright. We didn't get a good pull. Only got like 30 cents out of that last one. Today we got Arvin Skowet. I don't know if I said that. Reller. Team Rocket's Grimmer. Oh, nice. Team Rocket's Hundur. Hippowdon. Marini's. I don't know how to say that. Toad's. Oh, I like that. Ethan Sneasel. Team Rocket Sneasel. Sorry, I said Ethan's. Steven's Carbink. Wow, that's pretty cool. Ethan's Magcargo. All right. Well, let's do on that. Boom. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.